Hey people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to print text messages on Android. First of all, go for your message option, then choose a message you want to print and simply take a screenshot of it. Okay, then just go for your photo section and choose that screenshot. Now go for three dot option here. Now go for print. After that you have to search for your printer, then choose your printer and just go for in this section. Then you can print your text message from here. So yeah, that's it. That's the process. This is how you can print text messages on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.